still on? Pull it up, pull it up. Let him get tired. Pull it up fast. Hold it up for the camera.
Not bad?
Not bad. Now tell everybody your name.
I'm Ryan. We need a name for the show.
It's going to be Navin Beast Fishing Florida, or Florida Fishing.
Alright. I'm Ryan. This is Navin Beast Florida Fishing. One day, you catch some bees like us.
Beautiful, beautiful fish.
So are we going to keep it or these?
Nah, you can throw it back. Just for all of you out there, I am Navin B, the original. And this is the first episode of my awesome fishing show.
Black Ross.
AKA Black Ross, AKA Black Coolie.
We're in.
Alright, once again, Navin B's Florida Fishing. We're out here for some catfish using some chicken liver. We think we got one on this line. Want to reel it up there, Ryan B? And he's got nothing. Hi, I am Navin B, and I think I have a catfish on this line. Yes, I do. Yes. Very nice, beautiful marble catfish. This is good. Really know how to take a hook. You bite down very hard. Ow! There we go. All right. That is a beautiful marble catfish. Here on Navin B's Fishing Florida. Let this beast go. And let's catch another one. That's a nice one. Another beautiful marble catfish. See if we can get this hook out faster than we did before. All right. Here we go. Another big, beautiful marble cat. Look at the sizes. Look at this thick meat. Obviously, you see why they're called marble catfish, because of their pattern. Like a marble slab, like your countertop. Awesome. Awesome. Let's get another one. I'm getting a bite. I'm gonna set the hook. Got another one. Another nice sized cat. That's a big one. That is a big one. Look at the size of this beast. The brute. Alrighty. Another big cat. That is the fish grunting like that. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect. Let's let this guy go. Oh, here's the guy that started it all. Our father. Yeah, we're filming.
That's a nice size.
We're filming. This is my fishing show. Our fishing show. Look at the size of this guy.
What's that? Channel cat?
Marble.
Marble cat, yeah.
There's a weight on this.
No, I'm not gonna hold that thing.
Alright, let's let him go.
Nice, wow.
Let him go.
Show the guy over there. Oh, something over there, look. He got something. He got a little bass or something.
Throw a little bigger for me next
Bass.
time. Right.